Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download Bandicam full version. So let's get started. First, go to this link. I will give this link on video description. So first of all, go to Bandicam. First go to Bandicam, download the Bandicam. You can download from this link that and video description. Or you can also download from so click on this. Wait for 1 minute, your download will be started. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download. So close the tab. After that, go to link and download Bandicam CRK. Correct. So click on this button. I've already downloaded, so you can see this file is already exist in your download list. So I've already downloaded. Now I will show you how to register. So after downloading this trick, so first install Bandicam. After that, go to compressed files and then extract this file. You will see it's enter password, so you can copy password from here. www. You will see, click on OK. You will see it's extracted. So keygen, simply click on keygen and right click, run as administrator. You can see register application. So enter your email address here and then click on register application. That my Bandicam is registered. So friends, thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon.